So today we're going to be expanding on our talk about silos and looking for any extra keywords which we can use to make our silos more complete and to drive more traffic to our site. So now that we have a basic outline of our silo, we're going to want to expand on it so as to cover more and more of the niche. So if we look at our example of the best headphones again, our primary goal of the silo might be to rank 2 or 3 money pages. For example, an article targeting best headphones, another targeting cheapest headphones, and a third article targeting sports headphone reviews. These would all work well within a larger silo on headphones. Then within that large silo you could have smaller silos, for example one on sports headphones, another on the cheapest headphones, etc, etc. So each of these silos might have a different money page which you intend to try and rank. So the point of today is to try and expand on these silos. So we're going to be looking to do some more keyword research and consider other modifiers that we haven't really taken a look at yet. I generally like to keep my silos balanced through the sales funnel, and if you think back to the previous lessons, you'll remember that our sales funnel is split into 4 distinct sections. And so far we've really just been focusing on the final 2 buying stages and trying to rank our so-called money pages where we're actively trying to make sales. But any good authority site is going to have other articles other than just product reviews and product related articles. So you should have a range of how-to articles, some guides, and possibly even viral types of articles which you can promote on social media. So for example, one way we can get to this stage is through other modifiers. And one great modifier I like to use is the keyword modifier how-to. And this is going to give you a lot of instructional and guide type keywords which you can use to target people who are still looking to get educated about the niche and aren't quite ready to purchase yet. These types of keywords are going to be often quite low competition because they're not particularly valuable by themselves, but they can be used to drive traffic through to your site from where you can send them to your money pages, where the traffic's going to become more and more valuable. So if we go into Google now, we could search, for example, for juicer how-to, and this is just talking about the juicer niche, which we discussed in previous videos, and I've just added the modifier how-to. Just have a look at what kind of results we get. So if we come down here, we've got keywords that are being targeted like how to use a juicer or how to juice at home. We also have people, this site here is saying why juice, and that might be a really great keyword that we could expand upon. We could look into the reasons behind juicing, the benefits of them, and drive people from those articles through to purchasing. So if you can educate someone on the benefits of juicing, it's going to be far easier to sell them on a blender or a juice extractor. And this is a Google feature which just shows a list of the questions which people have Googled. So for example, can you freeze fresh juice, or can you use frozen fruit in the juicer? So if we click one of these, it's going to give us an example of an answer which a website's given, and you could basically go into that page, do some more research into it, and then produce similar content for your own site. And this is a really great way to find keywords, because if people are actively asking questions like this, if you can provide a valid answer, then you're standing a pretty good chance of getting traffic, because these types of keywords are not going to be, generally not going to be particularly competitive, because as I mentioned before, they're not so valuable by themselves. The value comes from being able to drive traffic from these pages through to your money pages later.